Measure once, cut once with the RAK Contour Gauge. Our gauge lets you copy any shape or object profile with ease. 182 thin teeth smoothly contours to almost any shape without scratching, for a perfect cut every time. Once the object has been contoured, just lock the teeth in place with our patented locking feature. Then trace and cut. Perfect for laying wood flooring, tile, carpet, molding, auto body, and more. The RAK Contour Gauge is durable with tough ABS plastic and an aluminum core. Plus, the flat profile makes it easy to store and transport. Make difficult cuts easy with the RAK Contour Gauge.
My label's LED finger flashlight gloves.
Be prepared for anything no matter where you are with the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool. Unlike most multi-tools, ours features a hammer, plus 11 other tools including a nail claw, pliers, wire cutter, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, saw, straight and serrated blade, file, and a bottle opener. The locking feature ensures tools lock into place during use for added stability and safety. Plus, it's built with a heavy-duty stainless steel construction to keep up with you, but feels light and comfortable in your hands. Keep it close with the included durable nylon belt holster. And with its premium box packaging, it makes a great gift item. Be ready for anything with the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool.